So you want free money? Not really, but keep watching. Ever heard of that friend who seems to magically get better deals on everything? A new car with a crazy low interest rate? Student loans that somehow vanished? Maybe they've stumbled onto some secret financial society, some hidden handshake and password combo for wealth accumulation. Well, hold on to your hats, because that secret might not be so secret after all. There are actually financial institutions out there looking to, get this, help you with your money. Intrigued? You should be. Because today, we're diving deep into SoFi, an online finance platform that might just change your financial game. But before we jump in, let's address the elephant in the room. Can just anyone waltz into SoFi and grab a fistful of cash? Spoiler alert, no. But that doesn't mean they have a secret handshake, although that would be pretty cool. So, who exactly qualifies for the magic of SoFi? The age of opportunity and responsibility. First things first, you gotta be an adult. In the eyes of the law, at least. SoFi requires you to be at least 18, the age of majority in most states. This means you can sign a contract and take responsibility for your financial decisions, both good and bad. America the Beautiful, or at least your legal residence. SoFi is a US-based company, so it makes sense that they primarily cater to US residents. They welcome US citizens, lawful permanent residents, and even some non-permanent residents with specific documentation. This ensures they can comply with all the fun financial regulations that keep things running smoothly. The all-important address. Speaking of things running smoothly, SoFi needs to know where to send your mail, or, more likely, emails these days, and make sure you're physically located somewhere they can operate. This means having a valid US address, whether it's a house, apartment, or that sweet military APO box you've got going on. The financial fitness test, not really a test, but you get the idea. SoFi isn't just handing out money like candy. They want to make sure you're in a good spot financially to take advantage of their services. This can involve things like having a decent credit score, showing proof of steady income, and not being buried under a mountain of debt. Beyond the basics, eligibility for specific SoFi products. Now, while these are the general requirements for SoFi membership, it's worth noting that some of their specific products might have additional criteria. Let's say you're interested in their student loan refinancing. Of course, you'll need to have some student loans to refinance in the first place. But SoFi might also consider your degree type, employment status, and future earning potential. On the other hand, if you're eyeing their SoFi checking and savings accounts, things are a bit more relaxed. As long as you meet the basic requirements, you're good to go. So, can you join SoFi? The best way to find out for sure is to head over to their website and explore. They have a wealth of information there, and their helpful customer service team is always happy to answer questions. But hey, if the information above applies to you, then there's a good chance you can join the SoFi party. So ditch the secret handshake dreams and start exploring the world of financial empowerment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.